Responsibility comes down to the people on ground. Even if the lockdown restrictions are eased, people have to show responsibility, maintain social distancing, wear their masks, ensure that they don't add to the spread of the virus here. Now, as India enters its day one of Unlock India Phase 1, the railways have resumed 200 additional trains from today. 200 passenger trains will carry more than 1.45 lakh passengers across the country. These services are in addition to the Shramik special trains, and 30 special AC trains will also be plying soon. In fact, already several AC trains have been running since 12th of May, and that will continue. Additional trains will also be released. Passengers have to reach the station at least 90 minutes in advance, and those with confirmed tickets will be allowed to enter and board the train. As per the MHA guidelines, all passengers shall be compulsorily screened, and only asymptomatic passengers shall be allowed to board the train.
We are currently at the New Delhi railway station, where you can see the trains are back, the autos and taxis, etc. are back, but many people around here are not bothering to wear masks in a proper manner. The autowalas are congregating in numbers. Instead of maintaining distancing, they are congregating in a crowd waiting for the passengers to show up, and that is one big reason why this kind of misbehaviors are happening, and that is one big reason why the numbers in Delhi are continually going up. It is for the people of India to remember that if you do not wear a mask, if you spit in public, if you create a crowd, there is a very big chance that you are the reason for spread of this virus. In New Delhi with cameraman Ravikant, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
It's Unlock 1.0, and that's the reason why even Railways is now returning to its normal operations, as the Indian Railways will be operating more than 200 trains with almost 1.5 lakh passengers across the country. Howrah station is too taking a lead with it. I'm at Howrah station, where the trains are being prepared for the passengers. That also means that the rakes will be arriving in the railway station at least 2 to 3 hours before their scheduled timing, given an understanding that the passengers will be allowed to wait only if they have a train. No other kind of any kind of relaxation will be allowed at any point of time. This also means that the reservation chart is ready, and all those who have a reservation will be allowed to sit at the railway station. And also the railway station will have a security check, identification check, and with that a thermal check to ensure that every passenger who is arriving does not have an extremely high body temperature. These are basic tests that will be conducted everywhere at all the railway stations, precisely understanding that no person except those with a confirmed ticket will be allowed in the railway stations, and also will be allowed to wait only if they have a train scheduled in next few hours. With camera person Tapannas Karan Baidyanath Jha, this is Manogya Loiwal in Howrah for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.